So, adding a machine to your list yourself. First, open up the web browser, type in holmfilters.com. At the top right of the corner website, click on the dark grey login button. Enter your login details and click the login button beneath. Once you're logged in, you're then taken back to the home page. In the top right corner, click on the dark grey account button. If you scroll down to the machine list and click view list, you can add each machine. I'll start by adding the first machine for you now. Click the new list button, and this works exactly the same as the filter finder. So you select the manufacturer of your machine. So if we select a Bobcat, and then you select the full model number of your machine. So we go to the popular machine of a E26 excavator. There's only one variant listed for that, so it's auto populated. Once you've selected all of this, you can add your fleet numbers in. So if we type in here EX12, that would be your fleet number. And then you scroll down and click save at the bottom. This is your machine added to the portal. So in the search bar at the top, you can search EX12, hit search. You can then click view, and you can see all of your filters, individuals and service kits for that one machine. You can add as many machines to this portal and log in exactly the same way as we have just done here for multiple machines in your fleet.